Picture this. On one side of the world, a team of scientists carefully brushes away layers of Earth to reveal the bones of a human ancestor that, until now, no one even imagined existed. It's the kind of moment that rewrites textbooks and sparks new questions about who we are and where we come from. On the other side, astronomers are peering deep into the universe using a network of telescopes spread across the globe. They managed to capture the first ever image of a black hole, an object so mysterious and powerful, it was once thought to be completely invisible, forever hidden from human eyes. Both of these discoveries happened within just the last few years, and both have completely shaken up what we thought we knew, not just about ourselves but about the universe itself. They remind us that the world is still full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and that science is a never-ending journey of exploration. Let's start with the new human species, an astonishing find that's changing our understanding of human evolution. These ancient humans were discovered in Eastern Asia, in a region that's quickly becoming a hotspot for groundbreaking fossil finds. They lived between 300,000 and 50,000 years ago, sharing the landscape with other early humans and mysterious relatives. Their skulls were massive, thick, heavy, and unlike anything seen in modern humans. Imagine a real big head situation, with features that seem both ancient and strangely familiar. What's truly wild is that these people combined old-school features, like those thick skull bones and prominent brow ridges with more modern traits. It's as if evolution was experimenting, blending the past and the future in one remarkable species. They weren't just surviving, they were thriving. These ancient humans made sophisticated tools, hunted wild horses across sweeping plains, and even processed animal hides for clothing or shelter. Their skills show intelligence, adaptability, and a deep understanding of their environment. In other words, they were smart, resourceful, and, until recently, completely off our radar. Their existence forces us to rethink what it means to be human, and how many different ways our story could have unfolded. So why does this matter? Why should we care about a long-lost cousin from the distant past? Well, this isn't just another branch on the family tree, it's a whole new chapter in the story of humanity. Their discovery adds to the growing crowd of human relatives we're finding in Asia, like the Denisovans, the mysterious hobbits of Flores, and the Red Deer Cave people. Each new find makes the human family tree look less like a straight line, and more like a tangled bush, with branches crossing, merging, and sometimes disappearing altogether. It means that at least 4 different human species were roaming around Eastern Asia at the same time, sharing the land, resources, and maybe even ideas, or genes. And it throws a wrench into that old idea that human evolution was some nice, neat straight line from ape to us. The reality is far messier, with overlapping timelines, unexpected twists, and plenty of surprises still waiting to be found. It was messy, tangled, and there might have been way more interbreeding, and even more surprises than we ever guessed. Ancient DNA is revealing connections between species we never thought possible, hinting at a complex web of relationships that shaped who we are today. Now let's zoom out, way out, to something even more mysterious. Black holes. These cosmic giants are the ultimate unknown, warping space and time in ways that challenge our imagination. In 2019, the world saw the very first image of a black hole in the galaxy M87, thanks to the Event Horizon Telescope, a global collaboration that turned our entire planet into one giant eye on the universe. What we saw was a dark shadow, the black hole's event horizon, surrounded by a glowing ring of super-hot gas swirling at nearly the speed of light. It was a sight that had only existed in theory and computer models, now made real for the first time. It was proof that black holes aren't just math or science fiction. They're real, physical objects, and we can actually see their effects on the universe around them. They're so powerful, they bend light itself, just as Einstein predicted over 100 years ago. The image was a triumph for science, confirming ideas that once seemed almost impossible to test. Then, just a few years later, astronomers managed to capture an image of the black hole right at the heart of our own Milky Way galaxy, Sagittarius A star, only 26,000 light-years away from Earth. Suddenly the invisible became visible. We could finally see the unseeable, opening a new window into the most extreme environments in the universe. Both of these stories, one buried deep underground, the other hidden in the farthest reaches of space, remind me just how much we still don't know. Every discovery is a reminder that the universe is bigger, older, and stranger than we ever imagined. We're explorers at heart, Whether we're digging up ancient fossils or peering into the heart of distant galaxies, the drive to understand, to seek out the unknown, is what makes us human. Discoveries like these prove that our story is far from over. In fact, it's just getting started. Every new find opens up more questions, more mysteries, and more opportunities to learn about our place in the cosmos. Who knows what we'll find next? Maybe another lost branch of the human family, or a new cosmic phenomenon that challenges everything we thought we knew. Thanks for watching, and keep wondering. The universe is full of secrets, and the adventure of discovery is far from over.